Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video. Today I'm showing you this makeup look from scratch. I'm using the James Charles palette, and I was literally inspired by the t-shirt that I'm wearing today. I'll probably show you in a future clip on this same video, but it's a Star Wars t-shirt and I got a lot of love on this look on Instagram, so I decided to film it while I created this. So if you see me hesitating a little bit with what to use, then that's why. Here I'm using a brown, I'm using a cool tone and a warm tone brown from the palette and just packing a lot of color, so later I will blend with a yellow, and the yellow will be a little bit subtle on that crease. So while I'm packing there, and yes, I'm singing right there, I will be blending out that brown with the yellow shade from the same palette. I wanted to correct myself, but this video was filmed last Saturday. Saturday was, I don't even remember the day. But the important thing was that I wore that t-shirt that last Saturday from this video, and I decided to cut the crease here because I wanted to put a little bit of the blue of the t-shirt that you just saw me showing you on camera. It's from the same palette as well, the James Charles palette, and I started packing with this flat brush, that beautiful blue that I think it was identical from the shirt, and I decided to keep it, only on the lid. Then on my lower lash line, I used the same brown mixture between the cool and the warm brown, and I think I also added a little bit of orange and a little bit of the blue to make the look a little bit cohesive, and then blend out with the yellow shade that you saw on my crease. Blended out the brown. Now I did my other eye, and I want to show you some face products that I got from Milk. I really love the brand, and I've been, trying to get a little bit of each product from the brand. And I like the baked bronzer, which I've used before, and I love it because it blends out so easily, and it's a really neutral shade that I think everybody would look really pretty, especially those with a little bit of fair or light skin just like me, and it just blends pretty easily. You don't really have a difficulty blending this out. I also used the Milk Makeup Work Lip and Cheek Stick. I used a little bit on my cheeks straight from the product, but sometimes I use a brush and take a little bit of the product and then use the brush to spread that look, that product on my cheeks. Now back to the eyes. I didn't really know what to do, but then I thought, hey, I want to add something like with stars, something white. So I used this Fenty Beauty Vivid Liner in white and started creating a little bit of stars, like really galaxy inspired, putting two on the outside of the eye, and then I decided to, where I cut the crease, put some white dots, which I feel that it gave the look a little bit of dimension and something interesting to see. And then I added more polka dots on the outsides, like little freckles And then from ColourPop, I used this Glitterly from the, no, it wasn't from the Frozen collab. This one was, I don't know the name, but I will list it down below because it's beautiful. It has stars on it, and I feel it was appropriate for all of the galaxy, you know, vibe that it was going on my eyes. I packed it on a little bit. I didn't want it to look a little bit, you know, too much, so I just packed a little bit on the center of the lid where the blue shade was on. For finishing the eyes, I used the Chiffon Kiss lashes, which are my favorite. And for lipstick, I used this Chanel lipsticks, which I will leave down below the name. It's a gift from my birthday, and I feel this is a really creamy nude that it's a really pretty and universal shade for everyone. It's really comfortable, and I feel that it matches this look because it's really heavy on the eyes. It's pretty colorful I can't speak, colorful. And then I added a little bit of gloss with this Glossier, pretty galaxy-ish inspired gloss. And this is the finished look. I hope that you like it, and if you recreate it, please tag me on Instagram at acinematiclook. See you on my next video, guys. Bye.